Kind of what you say now. Get the fast one.
Okay.
Look around. And I realize I'm performing and I don't see any Caucasian in the congregation. I know so when I see white people,
that's right.
I trouble sometimes.
Yes.
Because I see, I have one white friend.
Yeah.
You know, like Africa. Because I see
you look around and there's a pair of black people. This functional nice.
Yeah.
Looking at them, we realize that everybody now really look power 24/7.
Yeah,
look out for no one then.
Yes.
Definitely.
How we that?
That's how we that.
Black people don't know that.
No. Black people focus.
Yes.
Everything is for the pastor.
Yes.
Black people will
look out. Because anytime Jamaica, anyway,
too much black people.
Jamaica especially, yes. Anything can go on anytime.
5 years for Brooklyn, anytime.
Yeah, so still.
You have to listen to your bow. That's right. That's an NPO.
Yeah,
we're not sticking over here. Bow.
No, sir.
Too much. Go! And when we had somebody that come, we ask, it's a box?
White people know.
No.
They know them see them. They dance half key. Oh my God, this is a good chair.
They're not looking at going to turn them down. Let them hear bow. From the year that
I think I heard it. Let's just see if we hear it again.
came out. I heard it. It came from this side.
Let's go take it out.
Let's check it out.
Not black people. That's why when you watch our movie,
Yes.
always a white couple
In a bush.
in the dark by themselves.
In a bush.
Never a black couple.
We're not doing a bush late at night. This is foreign. Taxi run 24/7.
Find a taxi.
Get a taxi, leave the bush.
Them are one.
Them are from more than go through the bush.
They play slowly.
And them alone,
They play spooky.
they hear one sound. They hear the sound. So then this time we start run. But you know, one of them have to drop. Drop.
Who are you, sir? The woman. Oh my God, Paul, go, save yourself.
I love you. Get the walk up, Becky, I love you.
Go, save yourself.
I won't go.
No, please.
They hear the sound. Two of them dead. What about people? The people are on the bar, and they shut up and the bush there. And then I go through. And then hear the sound. They hear the sound. And then start run. And Michelle drop.
Oh my God, Barack.
Michelle get up.
Are you going to leave me?
Michelle get up.
We have 2 daughters.
Can't get more now.
We're different. Trust me.
Yes.
Nowadays, everything changes now. Because if you never know, a selfie around the place. I want to take a selfie. What I take a selfie for right now? Now tell me where the camera is.
Oh, you can run.
What if I smile on the side?
That cell phone reached the lawyer.
See, I tell you, I put this on YouTube.
That cell phone reached the lawyer. And nobody. An accident, not the first thing. Nobody will take out 4 and I'll video it. Yeah, but you cell phone thing out. But you need to let man go. She's actually must get. Nobody will pull it out. That's why you have a Jamaican and more aside. The people that want some help.
Yes.
And truck and go together, they are brought down.
The man is very helpful.
And the people that want their help.
Very helpful.
The people want to rise and flow and teach truth and people that help. Yes. Themselves to some rise and flow. So, they want help. People go to phone and video.
That's me here, Bolton. I'm talking with the Prime Minister. Liberal, the Prime Minister of Jamaica, they claim that she loves travel.
That's right.
What do you hear about it?
Yes.
We are about the plane.
We are the best Prime Minister and the rare. Our Prime Minister, she's so clean and upbringing. Can you imagine she's here with us tonight? Ladies and gentlemen, let's get a quick word from our Prime Minister. Good night, Sister Bella, how are you doing?
I am so proud to be here tonight. I am especially proud of Tessan Chi. You know her? Thank you.
What a Prime Minister,
there is a number of rumors that I am flying in and out of the country.
Yes, that was our mother.
Listen, let me finish. It is a rumor.
No, what?
I am not flying anywhere.
What?
Ever since the Malaysian airplane went missing, I have decided to stay home. Thank you.
No!
Our Prime Minister,
Them take separate man.
I'm telling you, I one thing with her, when she get ignorant, she get ignorant.
Yes, sir.
When she get ignorant, they get to come out.
You ever try to interview her? You know what it?
What she interview?
The interviewer try to follow and she get bring up on the
What she
interview.
interview? Good night, Madam Prime Minister.
The government, listen, the government of Jamaica
Yes.
is very pleased with the initiatives that we are embarking on.
Yes, Madam. The other day you've been flying in and out.
I am heading to a meeting.
Yes, Madam, but does it...
If you point that microphone in my face again, it's not going to be normal. Because you know me not afraid of nobody.
Trust me. So minimum wage kind of encourage workers. Because I say, all work 9 to 5 is a work. When you go work? You go work on time? Yes. When you work,
no, we know Jamaica. We're not going to work on time.
Then you say you can start 7 o'clock tonight. It starts 7? No. It's Jamaica.
That's a Jamaican church.
Yes.
You never 4-7.
Yeah, we here for 7.
You hear me because we're not government for a different church.
We learned that PPI standard.
Oh, you learned. How long have you been up here? That's right. No, my name is not Take your hands off the there. That's why you find you have to learn foreign time. What you know when to be here and when to not be here.
Exactly.
So when you don't early like that, you have the key for the church. No, but you don't have the key for church there that early. People outside stand up. Oh, them not come yet. Sorry, you know, the man just walk up proper.
That's why I will tell them, say,
Jesus! Boy, you just come. Praise the Lord, brother.
will come in. That's why when the big disaster happened in 2001, 9/11, no Jamaicans never there. That's right. Because we don't know where so early. You miss me.
That's right. If we're not there already, now catch me.
That's how we stay.
Remove protecting. But you know, I think
When
more at the time we come in for the elder folks inside here.
Yes.
The big people in.
Yes.
But I think the big people are we don't want some old people.
No.
Elders.
Mature.
Yes. We know about church.
Yes.
I know where take life. And then people have specialty. Look at auntie.
Yeah.
Church act.
Yes, yes.
Different from mine. Mine I felt.
Yeah.
Church act.
Yes.
Church blows.
Yes.
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 Nobody is in there from the kind of see any clothes. We go church.
Yes.
We go dance. We go funeral.
Yes.
Up here, you see, church blows, church hairstyle.
Right.
You know, you have some look one year, they don't want them here show, so they pin on the wig.
Yes.
Inside of the hat. When them are, and then good to go, and the God of the year, I praise God at them.
Yes.
So big up them and say, because
I want to bring up that. Can I say people, me fast enough?
okay.
Okay, so we look around, we see you have some couples here. And you can know the couples
Yes.
have new love.
That's right.
Because new love is different from old love. When love new, you see a brother, so when the show started, him? He know you.
That's
So
right.
husband, hold on. 2 years. 2 years.
No, for them to get the visa yet. You know, they'll reach that.
When you born here?
No, listen to that. No.
No, I realize you don't grow here. Oh, is it cat?
Yes.
Some of them couple here are all couple. You look at the space between them. You go there, so you see I have to all couple. You know about one time.
They never look back.
All of them together. You see? This is zero. You see? When I want to see what it means, you have my best. Trust me. All couple.
Listen, you go far past the 5 or 3 wives, you know.
So now ask her the question. Earlier, when we asked her, you said, see, how long have you been with this gentleman here, christened as Paul Little? 22 years.
22 years.
No,
We can't keep up here for 22 months. Can't wear me, that's when they always single. Said the woman I look about the day for 2 days. Facts. That's it.
but my life said
Yes.
new love.
Yes.
Because I told you already earlier, I saw this instrument change love.
Yeah, but remember when relationship just as remember when they just meet up?
Yeah.
It was so fresh.
No, so
Then you know, run out, you just take your time.
Yes.
Not a play.
You don't do the service. Leave me alone. Go to priest today. Go to church.
Enjoy the moment there. You know, come home back in it. You know, come back. So you're not coming back on it. It's straight like. You can't go to the beach.
Yes.
The rest of the stuff. What was in there?
We have call baby for the one. Look here. What's your name, madam? Bridget.
Bridget, they write the song Paul and Bridget in our art, you know.
Yeah.
Was here.
Yes.
Love.
Wait, so when the church take off,
Yes.
and pastor run things,
That's right.
was he one man?
Yes.
Whenever the beat you right, Paul is here.
The force in our thing, she is this is sort of a big of the couple that do that thing and they keep them together, keep the love fresh.
Yeah.
That is my problem. We can't keep none fresh. No, I don't even know if I look at her right now.
You have a text.
You see a girl, oh yeah.
Big mistake. Big mistake.
Just don't look at the camera and say, what I'm sweet. What that? You know, so you can't look at her, you have to go. Yeah! Come here now.
That's why you can't live no lady so right now. To find out the approach ability. When you see them ladies out, whether them come from World Harvest or VPI, you have to have the approach. First thing first, you can't stay there so. And I call her and say, yo, you have to step to her. You know what I mean? And when they get nearer, your voice deep as VPI ladies love deep voice. And then your lyrics are, baby. Baby. Is this the president? Already.
Look like it now.
Sablos. When it blows,
Yeah.
it's done.
Just learn.
Yeah.
Because the last time when I knew that, I realized guys to have a kid. I'm
telling you.
Yes, when I look at girl now, when I want the yachty.
Oh, hey,
Just beginning to steer now.
steer around.
Yeah, man, I'm getting the look of me, I like you.
They look at me. Hey, get out.
No, they begin to look at me. Come check me after the show.
Come check what about?
Yeah, but they said that the word now, but the lyrics are.
Oh, yeah, you know lyrics I know.
Yeah, man,
Let me hear lyrics. If you learn, man. Yeah, take too long, man. What your lyrics are saying? That's what I said to you. I know lyrics are all known.
Alright, listen. Mr. David, when I came inside and I saw you, cry a jump on the water.
Go Jesus, jump on the water.
So we can't afford champagne. Mr. David, financially, I'm a pauper. And so when it comes to loving, I'm alright. Excuse me, I see you drop something. Hello, I think it's our conversation. Let's speak it up our first. Good night! Good night!